2018 seems to be a big change year for many companies, but that's not always in the way we might think. LG is changing up the way it's launching phones, this time starting with the V30S ThinQ, an iterative update of the phone we loved so much just a few months ago. Judging by the name, you probably won't be surprised by the fact that this is an identical design, but LG is hoping to woo customers over with its new colors: Moroccan blue, which looks absolutely gorgeous from every angle, and platinum gray, which is a darker, more unique looking version of the silver V30 we reviewed. Inside is the same 3300 mAh battery and Snapdragon 835 processor, but LG is beefing the RAM up to 6 gigs and the internal storage to 128 gigs over that standard V30. Despite having the same processing power, LG has reworked some of the back end of the OS, and even worked with Google on some new assistant integration for LG products. Launching with Android 8.0 Oreo, the V30S ThinQ features a whole slew of new AI features, and as you would expect, integrates nicely with LG's other smart home ThinQ line of products. The new Google Assistant features allow you to ask Google whether or not the washer is done cleaning the clothes, or if that LG robot vacuum is still mopping up the floor. QLens is a new visual search tool that integrates Amazon and Pinterest visual databases to deliver a visual search similar to Google Lens or Bixby, and LG states that the new camera AI features can detect over 100 million different types of objects spread across 18 broad categories. This integrates nicely into an updated camera app, which still features all the awesome manual modes and such that the V30's camera includes, but this time around features super advanced auto scene detection. Just like the QLens visual search feature, the camera uses AI in an attempt to identify different scenes and objects, then tailoring the picture or video capture to meet those needs. While we could do this in a very manual way with Graphy when the V30 launched, this is LG's way of helping users get the best out of the camera without even having to search Graphy's excellent presets. Just like other modes in the camera, this new AI Cam, as it's called, is a different mode that can be enabled or disabled as you prefer. LG is also debuting a new Bright mode with the V30S, which is a camera mode that looks to take multiple shots with different exposures and combine them together, possibly similar to how Google's Magic HDR+ algorithm works. Right now, the V30S ThinQ is a South Korean release only, but that's not to say it won't move elsewhere worldwide. LG is going to be changing up its release schedule with phones, and it would only make sense to see this one land on at least a few carriers worldwide in the near future. LG has also stated that these new updates will be heading to existing V30 phones, and possibly other LG phones as well, hardware permitting, so don't worry if you've already bought one of LG's latest products. Be sure to subscribe to us for up-to-date MWC 2018 coverage, and we appreciate you watching. As always, check out AndroidHeadlines.com for 24/7 tech news coverage. Until next time.